Living in Southwest Florida has its perks: breathtaking views, endless sunshine, and open, airy homes. But it also comes with challenges: intense heat, fading interiors, and the feeling that privacy just isn't an option. I'm Ed, owner of EV Blinds, and after more than 30 years working in homes across Southwest Florida, I can tell you this: your view is worth framing, not covering up. And you deserve tailored, intentional solutions without compromise. Because window treatments aren't just about blocking the sun. They're about privacy without shutting you in, comfort without sacrificing natural light, and a look that's timeless, clean, and made to last. All without hiding the view that makes your home feel like home. At EV Blinds, we design and manufacture every window and slider treatment right here in Southwest Florida. That means no window is too tall, no slider too wide, no cookie-cutter products, just expert craftsmanship and a perfect custom fit. We're the only local pros crafting solutions for the oversized glass Southwest Florida homes are known for. I'd love the chance to earn your trust. Click the link to book your complimentary in-home consultation. And let's give your view the treatment it truly deserves. EV Blinds, the experts in custom window coverings.